Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I arrived in Sapporo and headed straight to ANA Crowne Plaza, my pre-booked stay for this trip. Come along as I explore the hotel to see if it lives up to expectations. The hotel is 1 minute away from Sapporo subway station exit 21 and 500 meters from Sapporo station. It is within walking distance of the Hokkaido government office, Sapporo City Hall, Clock Tower, TV Tower, Odori Park and former Hokkaido government office building. The hotel reception is located on the first floor, while the ground floor features a pastry shop, gym, and a convenience store, perfect for quick bites and essentials. There's a souvenir store on the first floor, but I found the prices a bit higher compared to other shops around the city. Near the reception, you will find useful amenities like a water refill station, ice machine, microwave, and a currency exchange machine. Super handy for travelers. Now let's head into the room. It looks just right for 3 of us. It comes equipped with a TV, complimentary mineral water, tea and coffee setup, an electric kettle, and a mini bar. The washroom looks clean and well organized, and it even has a bathtub, which is common in most Japanese hotels, as bathing is a big part of their relaxation culture. This restaurant is located on the first floor and offers all-day dining, but I'm here for breakfast. Let's check out what the buffet has to offer. The buffet here is fresh and flavorful, with a nice touch of Hokkaido specialities. Overall, with its comfortable stay, good service, and hearty breakfast, I'd say this hotel is definitely worth the money. With this cup of coffee, I want to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. Our Hokkaido journey has just begun.